1, 2, 3, go!
Was with my homegirls chilling at our house. We were having fun, you know. We were eating granola bars and wheat thins. Chilling at our house. Then this boy called. He said he was chilling at some party. I don't give a shit. So I said, why weren't we invited? It's pissing me off. I was upset. He said, I didn't know if you wanted to be invited. Just like that. Like a girl voice. Pissing me off, talking like a girl. Whatever. I don't even care. So then, me and my girls went to Walmart. Buy some shit. Hanging with our boys at the store. We was just chilling and whatnot. Then I was hungry. And my girl said, I'm gonna give me a chicken sandwich with mayonnaise. She got herself a chicken sandwich. It was good. We were riding and shit. We were riding with the top down. The music loud. Pissing me off. Then, your boys called again. They said there was some campfire. I said, bitch, why didn't you invite me? She said, well, I was just with my friends. Just like that, because he's a girl. Just like that. Pissing me off. And I said, bitch, please, bitch. He was with some girl, some other girl, and I said, why are you with the leprechaun, hoe? He said, I like this girl. I said, I didn't ask you that. So I said, I'm gonna punch you in the ovaries. He ain't got no balls to tell me nothing. Tell me, is that unforgivable?